Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create glowing sci-fi energy balls in Photoshop. Open a new document and fill it with dark gradient background. Create a new layer and draw a perfect circle using the marquee tool. Fill the circle with a bright color like blue or neon green. Apply outer glow and inner glow from layer style to build an energy aura. Duplicate the circle and blur one copy using Gaussian blur to realistic light spread. Add smaller spark particles using a soft white brush to enhance the effects. Use the smudge tool slightly to create swirling energy motion. Add a lens flare overlay for cinematic size.